Welcome to Best Display Tips. In this video, I will show you how to enable disable dark mode, dark theme on the Samsung One UI 8 version. By default, set the default font theme like a dark mode or light mode on your device. If you want to set the dark mode or light mode, follow this tutorial. First method, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app, scroll down up to display, tap on a display. Now at the top you can see the light option and dark option on your device. So select the light to set the light mode on your device. Select the dark option to set the dark mode on your One UI 8 version. In the dark mode you can see the dark mode settings. Here you need to set the schedule to automatically activate dark mode or turn on the dark mode on your Samsung One UI 8. So toggle on this option. Now we can see two options, sunset to sunrise. Make sure location is turned on to set sunset to sunrise or set a custom schedule. So here you should need to set schedule and start time and end time you want to set and tap on a done to set the schedule to automatically activate dark mode or turn on dark mode on your device. If you don't want to use, just toggle off it to turn off the schedule of the dark mode. So you can quickly enable light mode or dark mode from the here. Also you can use the swipe down the notification panel on your device from the top. Here you can see the dark mode icon. Just tap on it to enable dark mode or tap on it to turn on the dark mode on your Samsung One UI 8 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.